When your vacuum doesn't work like it used to before, check your dust bag and filters. Over time, dust and debris build up inside the filters, restricting airflow and reducing suction power. Look at the difference between new and used filters. The good news? A few simple replacements can help restore your vacuum's performance. Regular maintenance keeps your vacuum powerful, efficient, and ready for everyday cleaning. We recommend replacing the HEPA filter once every 12 months. Tip: avoid washing your filters as they will deform. Additionally, the dust bag should be replaced every 3 months or when it is 3/4 full. Replacing your accessories restores suction performance, maintains optimal airflow, and helps your vacuum perform like new. Please check the compatibility of the accessories for your model before ordering.